Hi, and Shay, we're doing some party planning here. How's the New Year's Eve forecast looking to be?
Well, it's looking a little wet. It's just a question right now, how much rain and how much snow are you going to see depending on where you're at least for right now in Central Park, though, 31 degrees, and winds are coming out of the west to southwest at 9 miles per hour. This is important because we're pumping in some warmer air, which is going to help us to support rainfall instead of snowfall in the city tomorrow at about midnight. So right now, though, it feels like 23 degrees when you factor in those winds in Central Park, and as you look north and west, temperatures, or wind chills that is, feel very similar all across the area, mainly low to middle 20s. Now, as we take a look at a satellite and radar composite, right now in the tri-state area, we're just seeing those clouds thickening and gathering ahead of this next system, which you can see is moving very quickly across the southeastern states. There's an area of low pressure that's going to head up the coast. So this is going to be one of those coastal storms where we see some wraparound moisture even behind the system. But at least for New Year's Eve, by the time the ball is dropping, we're looking at mainly a chance for rain in the city. North and west, rain and snow. We may even see some light accumulations, but temperatures will be in the mid-30s if you're going to be in the city.
All right, Shay, thanks a lot.
Keep that baby New Year dry after all, right? Coming up, is it a shocking case of rain with Shay?
Hi there. Well, we are looking right now at a coastal storm that's developing in the southeastern states. In our area, we are still with cold enough temperatures to support the chance for snowfall, but as the system develops, it is going to bring some warmer air with it, giving us a chance for a rain-snow mix. Let's take a look, though. Today we made it to a high temperature of 31 degrees, so just below the freezing mark, but quite a bit below the average of 39 for this time of year. Now, as we look at temperatures across the area, Central Park coming in at 31 degrees, Caldwell coming in at 29. You can see White Plains 27 and Belmar 28. Because we have a lot of cloud cover that's moving into the area right now, we aren't going to see the temperatures falling very much overnight tonight. And as those winds shift a little more from the south to southwest, or the west-southwest to the south, we are going to see more of that warm air beginning to pump into our area overnight tonight and then through the day tomorrow. As we look at futurecasts for this evening, these bright white tones indicating cloud cover, and you slowly see that band of rain starting to work its way up into our area. Here's the area of low pressure, our coastal low, secondary low further to the south as well. And as we continue through the day tomorrow, we're going to have a chance for rain on and off and then mixed with some snowfall as well. But as we head into the midnight hour, so right around the time the ball is going to drop, we get into a drier section. So there is a chance that we're going to get a brief time period where we've got dry enough weather that we won't see anything coming down other than the ball at midnight. So we'll keep an eye on this. But at least for our timeline, this is what we're looking at. From 8 in the morning to noon tomorrow, we're looking at a rain, sleet, snow mix across the area. From noon to about 10 o'clock, we're going to see often...
Shay Ryan here now with a final look at the forecast. Shay.
Another look at the New Year's Eve forecast. If you're going to be in the city, there's mainly a chance for rain, but as you head north and west outside the city, it looks like it'll be a rain-snow mix. There's also a slight chance that even by midnight you could find some light accumulation, especially to the north and west. But in the city, temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 30s, and that's why we have a better chance for rain there. So you definitely want to keep the umbrella on hand. Light winds, though, all through the area.